Day 4 of my recovery phase as I continue my preparation for my next bulking phase next month. I am trying to keep up with my last bulking phase with weights and trying to do everything correctly, as I'm guilty of ego lifting, and ego lifting is a big problem for people who work out alone and just amateurs in the gym like me, or people who are just starting up. Now, like I said, you think you'll be doing everything correctly and you're gaining, but actually you're injuring yourself. In the long run, you discover you got a lot of pains, such as back pains, shoulder pains, whichever part you have been hurting. So you have been injuring, sorry. And now I am open to any criticism, I am open to any opinions, any suggestions, and any challenges. So to make this gym journey and fitness gym fun, please drop your comments below. Also subscribe, like the content, and follow and see, so that we can see how far I go.